How to fix iPhone camera showing black screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix iPhone camera showing black screen, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have the iPhone camera app and it's actually showing black screen, it could be pretty simple to fix it, but for this to enable you can just try switching the front and back cameras in order to see if that actually helps you solve your problem. You can just try reverting back to its original settings as well. If this doesn't help, then what you can try to do is open up the settings application here, and then you simply want to go to the option known as camera, as you would be able to find it, and then tap on it. Once you tap on camera, here you can see all these sorts of options. You can go to format and select high efficiency and see which one of these actually works for you. If you want to, you can go ahead and recover all the default settings. If this doesn't help, you can just try going to this option known as general. Go to software update, check if your device has update. If it does, make sure to update it and restart your device and see if that helps you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.